Okay, so let's try this. I am on my phone because my computer is going crazy. So I can't really see what's going on here. Let me see if I can just bring up and see if I'm live at all on the screen, and maybe we can start again. So again, crazy. Oh yeah, good. Let's see. It says I'm live. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Terrific. Okay, we just turn down the volume. And three of you guys are on. Hi, Sola. Janet's on. Great. You guys, hi, hi. So I can wave at you because I'm on my phone. That's nice. Hi, Dawn. Nice to see you here again. And so I was talking on the last one, when you have a breakdown, always ask when you first get on a live, how's the audio? So you guys let me know how the audio is on the phone. And it was choppy. Okay, so who wants to listen to a live when it's choppy? So, and I couldn't reboot my computer fast enough. There's problems, obviously. So I reverted back to the old tripod with the phone. So hi Sola, how's the audio with the phone? So give me a thumbs up or say it's good or it's patchy or it's choppy or whatever, okay? So I wanted to talk today specifically. I asked a couple of days ago in the group, what's the number one challenge you're having when it comes to selling? And a few of you gals were talking about you don't want to come across as pushy. So then I thought, oh, good, thanks, Dawn. So then I thought, well, that's a great live to talk about is, being pushing your offers, okay? And when I think about pushy, and I wrote down a few things of what other people have talked about, is when you say no thank you, and people just keep, trying to keep you engaged, right? And try it from a different angle, and just you're feeling really, really uncomfortable, right? And for me, in the olden days, like 20 years ago, network marketing was a big thing, and it was pre-internet. So you'd be invited to these meetings, and you go to these meetings, and they pitch you and talk about being pushy, okay? But I don't really get that now because I'm in a completely different area, and so are you. You guys are coaches, and you are service providers. And if you've been following along and attracting the right people to you, your ideal clients to you, they actually are looking for solutions, okay? And every day you should be offering something. And what I mean by an offering, we talk about offers that are your products and services and programs and courses, but an offering can also be an invitation or an opportunity. And an invitation could be something, thanks Sola, an invitation could be just an invitation to be your friend, okay? That is, you're actually inviting someone to come closer to you. Remember, the sales cycle from beginning to end is long. It happens over time, right? You meet someone and they're a stranger, and you're going to move them through the different phases that they move through until they become a customer of yours, and then eventually, hopefully, a fan, and they're promoting your products and services and courses and programs, okay? So every day you should be making an offer, an invitation. Be my friend. Come into my group. Would you like to join my group? How can I help you? I see you answered such and such on a post. Can I help you flesh that out? So you're constantly being engaged with people so that when you offer something larger, like a challenge or a workshop or a course or a mastermind, you're offering it first to people who actually are your ideal clients who want what you have to offer, okay? So there shouldn't be any pushiness about it, okay? They're interested. They want to see what you have to offer. And some of them will say yes, and some will say no. And in sales, we know more people say no than they say yes. And so you have to go through a lot of no's before you get a yes. So, you know, there's this great book. I wish I thought about it and bringing it downstairs. It's upstairs. And if I think about it, you know, after this live, I'll go up and get it. It's has something like, you know, the title has, you know, getting 100 no's or something like that. It's great. And it was written by a husband-wife team, and I believe they had to go through like 156 no's before they got a yes, and then it started to just click for them. So you also have to, in those time of making offers, is actually see what kind of copy works, what kind of, you know, who's responding to what. Hi, Lindsay. Who's responding to what of your offers, what kind of messaging actually resonates. Yeah, much better. Thanks. What kind of message resonates with people and who are saying they raise their hand, you know, so you learn that, you know, a certain kind of message, one that talks about a story or a result, is more enticing to people rather than just pitching, here's what I've got to offer, here's the price, we start on, you know, next week or whatever. So you're drawing people in, and that takes time to cultivate, you guys. Most of you are fantastic coaches and experts in your field, but you are learning sales and marketing as you're trying to grow your clientele using Facebook. Okay, so it is a lot of trial and error in the beginning. All right, so don't be afraid to post an offer once a week. Okay, and you got to remember, on your Facebook page, on your personal page where you can have 5,000 friends on, you know, less than 20% of those friends are going to see that post. Think of it. I don't have my phone because I'm using my phone. So let's pretend this is my phone, right? You post an offer just a few minutes ago. Let's say you posted it this morning, like 3 hours ago. Hi, Jessica, Nancy. And I'm on my phone now. I've already had, and I have over 2,000 friends on my, as my friends. When I go to my home feed, I'm going through everybody's post that posted in the last couple of hours. I may not see your post. So don't be afraid to promote an offer when you're in like a launch phase and you're ready to fill a program or service or having a product launch. You want to be out there promoting that several times a day. Remember that those people that your friends on your personal page are not going to see it. If you post it 3 times, it's more than unlikely that the same person is going to see that post. Okay, so don't be afraid to post it several times a day when you're in a major launch. The same goes for your group. Although more people will see your promotions over there and your programs and your offering than they do on your personal page. But remember, those people have raised their hand to go into a group that is specifically about getting problem solved around a particular area that you solve, right? So they're looking for, what do you have to offer? Okay, is it a master class? Is it a course? Is it a program? Is it a product? You know, what is it? Okay, so don't feel that you're pushing, because you really are doing is offering opportunities of invitations. They're invitations, really. You're inviting them to take a look. Some people will say yes, some people will say no. Some people have something else going on at the time, so they can't make it, and they'll say, I'll catch the next one you have. You know, put those people in your CRM and flag them that they want to be tapped the next time you have a program or service or something that you're doing, you know, maybe every other month, every month, whatever it is you're doing. Okay, so you want to keep those people in some kind of file that are interested, but right now is not the right time. Okay, they may have signed up for something else. They might be going on vacation. They may have their parents or in-laws in town and they can't possibly join you or take you up on your offer at this time. It's not the right time. It's not about you. So you got to actually strengthen your muscle that is not about you, okay? And just keep offering your products, services, courses, and programs as invitations for people to look. Listen, if they feel that you're getting too pushy, they will leave. But remember, on Facebook, we are constantly want to be bringing new people, new leads into our space, our container, because people move out. People move in, people move out. So, something that you did last month, the different people are going to see it this month, okay? New people are going to see it, and they may see it for the first time. Okay, and those other people that are still hanging around because they like what you have to offer on a daily basis, the offer might be something that they actually want at the moment that you're offering it. So don't feel, that you're being pushy at all. Okay, especially on Facebook. Okay, definitely not. So what are you guys making offers? How often are you promoting your products and services or your programs and courses? Are you doing it once a month, once a week? Are you doing it in your group, on your personal page? Remember, on your personal page, no prices if you're promoting there. Really, you don't want to be promoting there that much, maybe once a month, not every week, because we don't want Facebook to think that you're using it as a sales page. Okay, so that's why we use groups. We move people into groups, because in groups you can actually put the prices on. You can actually promote more often. That is your group. You can do whatever you want with your group. Okay, so any feedback, you guys? Any let's see. Hi, Doc Indy. Let's see what the comments are here. Let's see. Okay. Everyone's just saying hi. Well, hello, everybody. Much better. Yeah. Okay. So you want to, that's why we're on Facebook, right? This is how we gain our clients. We're using Facebook as our medium to build our business, to get clients, okay? So if you're attracting your ideal clients to you and you're moving them over to a group, they want solutions to their problems, and they know, or they think, or they're testing, or they're looking to see if you have the answers for them. So do not be afraid to make offers on a weekly basis. Especially then all the other days of the week, you should be actually educating, providing value, inspiration, motivation, getting the group going. Okay. So as far as for me, I'm actually doing a workshop, you guys, on July 13th, 5 days, July 13th through the 17th. I already have 28 people signed up for it. Unbelievable. And it's like 2.5 weeks out, and I haven't really promoted it at all. So it's going to be on how to get clients now using Facebook, how to get paying clients now using Facebook. Because, the number one issue of all of you that are in my group is getting clients, how to get clients. So I'm going to go through, the strategy over 5 days. Kind of high level, but you need to grasp the high level. There'll be some details in there day to day and some homework to do, so get you engaged. But to actually get you in motion, so get you going so you can get some clients over the summer. Okay, so if you want information on that, just kind of say, yes, I want information below, or say info below is fine, and I'll get that over to you. And then next week, I'll definitely be promoting it in the group, on my page, and trying to, get as many people that are interested on that, in that workshop. So that's what I'm up to this week. So I'm hoping that you're all having a good week. Again, I will put the name of the book. So Jeannie asked, so are you saying we get our customers from doing lives? Yeah, let me tell you, your lives, your content is doing the selling for you. You are warming people up to you. Okay, that's what the purpose of providing post every day and going live is, so people actually are getting a sense of who you are. Do I want to work with her? Do I trust her? Is she knowledgeable? Is she competent? So all this as a coach, and you're delivering it to your ideal clients, you're warming them up to you, and it's doing the pre-selling for you. So when you do make an offer, people will say, yeah, I want to work with her. Okay? So that's what it's all about. It's like you're warming your tribe up. You're warming them up. Okay, great. Okay, so I'll get that name of that book about the no's, how many no's. It's a great book. I'll put it down below. If you want more information about the workshop in July 13th through the 17th, just put info below and I'll private message you the link to register. And yeah, so this was a great live. Thanks for being on and being patient with the kind of like the breakdown, but we had a breakthrough. So that's good. All right. Bye, you guys. Have a great day. See you later.